Blood pressure hunting today along Buruburu phase 1. Our first patient, their blood pressure was 100/69, pulse 71. That's very normal blood pressure. The second person, 123/93, still normal blood pressure. The person with the trolley wanted blood sugar test, but unfortunately I wasn't offering that service. Yeah, so the next person, their blood pressure was 108/68. That's still normal blood pressure, very normal. So the next person, 183/96. That's hypertension crisis. So on repeating, the pressure was not getting better, but the guy told me he's under medication. So I told him to continue the medication and do as much exercise as possible. So the next person, the blood pressure was 124, normal blood pressure over 75. That's very normal. 150, that's hypertension stage 2. So we tried on repeating and trying to find out if the pressure will go down. But the pressure was 151/94, still hypertension stage 2. So on repeating again, 153, still very high. So the next person, their blood pressure was 114/70, normal blood pressure. 121/92, normal blood pressure. A bit elevated, but still normal. So banana has high potassium that helps in lowering high blood pressure. So one banana a day, that's good for your body. So 122/92 for the ice cream vendor. So I decided to have myself an ice cream because the sun was too hot. Couldn't handle it any further than that. So next person, 95, very normal. That's extremely normal blood pressure. 107/69, still very normal blood pressure. 93/70, still very normal blood pressure. So 127/86, and the last person today, 120/82. So Claire was happy today. Bye bye.